What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the top edge of the eyes. Now you're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to bend the eye going up and then out towards the top. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Now I want to tuck the outside of the eye in behind the eyelid. So on the left we're going to step in, bend this around, and then down towards the bottom. And then we want to round out the bottom of the eye, starting back over on the left, curve this down, and then up on the inside. Let's draw the edge of the iris, starting from the top, curve this around, and then down. And then we'll tuck the pupil in underneath the eyelid. Starting from the top, we're going to draw a long oval, coming down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up. Now just above each eye, we're going to add a fold. So starting on the left, bend this up and out, and then line this up on the right. Now in between the eyes, we're going to step down and draw two short angle lines for the nostrils. One on the left side, and then one going up on the right. And then in the middle, step down, add a point along the tip of the mouth. Let's draw two angled lines going up and then out towards the side. And then from the left, we're going to go out, round up the mouth, and just pull that up. Let's open up the mouth, starting over on the left side, come down in the middle, round up the mouth, and go back up. On either side, we're going to draw two teeth, almost like drawing a V. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out. It's going to curve the cheek, going out and then down. And let's line that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side, round this out, come down and in, just underneath the mouth. And just going to make our way up towards the right side. Let's curve the side of the head. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up and then just bend that in. Now we're going to leave a gap for the ears and draw the top of the head. Starting back over on the left, curve this up in the middle, go across, and then bend that down. And then we'll tuck the ears in behind. So on the left, we're going to step up, bend this up, and then out. And we'll curve the outside of the ear, coming down and then in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to place some spots along the top of the head. Let's start with that large one. Start from the top right, bend this across towards the middle, come down and out towards the right, bend this back up, and then we'll just close off the top. Let's add two smaller spots across the bottom, starting with the left, and then one more along the bottom right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.